Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's a bit earlier than I typically talk to you or talk to my phone and hope that you're watching. Usually you see me run around the afternoon doing some, downtown buggy shenanigans or some of our trips, but today is kind of a special one. We are going to the DeutscheMarques German Car Show at Gilmore Car Museum with the Porsche 928 hanging out behind me. So, it's about 7:30 in the morning, gonna get fired up. It's only about a 20-25 minute drive, but show starts at 9, like to get there a little bit early. This is our second summer show, and we've been to 2 of their October shows as well. So I'm gonna hop in the car, get it warmed up, add all of our, survive a car show for 6 hours equipment, and hit the road. So let's get this thing started. Much simpler starting process than the dune buggy. It's a key. I know, big surprise, right? I love how this thing sounds. Oh yeah. Fantastic. I love that 928 V8 rumble. Fantastic, man. Well, warm her up for a little bit and then we're gonna get on the road and get to the Gilmore. See you there. So we made it to Gilmore. Gonna get heading over to, a lot of cars looking here, but I'm gonna go into this new exhibit. They moved the Corvettes on. I think it's all supercars. I think the Ford versus Ferrari GT40 is in here. We're gonna go see if we can find this. Well, we made it to the DeutscheMarques show at Gilmore Car Museum. Everybody's still kind of getting settled in. We've been here probably about 45 minutes to an hour. The rain that we were going to get today completely just took off. It was supposed to rain from like 4 a.m. to 5 p.m. and it's a little overcast and breezy, but it's beautiful. So we're going to walk around and show you some of the cars. I've found 3 other 928s so far, so it's a record. Usually there's 2 or 3, so now we're four 928 strong today. So going to roam around, check out all these cool German cars, and looking for some German food and beer, huh? That's what I'm really here for. All right, let's show you what we can find over here. So, as I would expect at any German car show, we've got bratwurst, German coleslaw, sauerkraut, German potato salad, German green beans, and Paul and her Salvatore, a little Doppelbock action. Can't beat it. Well, the German lunch was awesome. Big surprise, I know. That brat was delicious. Grab myself a Vorsteiner, gotta have that, and gonna go sit behind the car for a while. It's starting to sprinkle, unfortunately, but we've been really lucky so far, so looking forward to next hour or two here at the show and then hit the road. We're coming up to the end of the show. For the second time, the rain is coming, so I think we're gonna wrap this one up. Had a fun time driving 920 out of here. Saw 3 others this time. That's the record now that I've seen here. I've seen 2 others before, and I don't think I've seen any of the 3 that were here before. So 3 new 928s in addition to mine, 4 total in the Porsche paddock. So appreciate you checking out the video. Hope you like what you see. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Hit the notification bell so you know when these videos go live. I'm going to keep taking this car to shows. I know this is some kind of new content. Usually it's dune buggy stuff and cooking and who knows whatever else I get into. But yeah, I want to get the Porsche in some more of these videos. So if you like the video, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what your favorite car you saw in the video was, and catch you in the next one. Thanks. What do you think, buddy?
What do you go? Whoa.
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 What do you think? Woo!
Yes.
What do you think, buddy?
Yes.
Yes.
That called?
Gear shifter. That's how you put it. Gear. It's like your Bronco with the 2 forwards and the 1 backwards.